Yes, guys, remember to, you know, when you're performing or when you're doing something, remember to act professional, right? I mean, not that you have to or anything. Some people don't care about being professional. Some people are anti-professional. They feed off the fact that people don't think they're professional, and some of them do well, right? I mean, you don't have to be professional to do well. I mean, there's some people that just love people that do all kinds of stuff, right? In that market, right? But if you're a creator like I am, you want to be professional because you can get opportunities, people can help you out, people can show you support. I mean that's just how I want to be. And there's certain people. There's a creator. I think her name is Brandy. I think that's what her name is. She's on my TikTok right now. It's silent, but no, her name is. What's her name? Yeah, her name is Brandy with a smile, or like a kiss and a heart, like it's like an emoji. So her name is Brandy. She's always professional. She's always doing a good job. She talks about her opinions, tries to respect boundaries, makes sure she's talking about the opinion of the person and not judging their character or their look, right? Because some people are trans, but she's a trans creator. Some people are trans and may not look like their gender yet, the new gender they want to be yet, but they go through surgeries and stuff, right? Some people will go through surgeries and look really feminine, right? But she doesn't judge them for their appearance. I mean, some of maybe I don't think she does. I recall she's quite good. Like she just talks about her opinion about what they're saying, about them fighting human rights in the right or wrong way, and all that. She's really good. She's very professional. So I like her. She's good. She's pretty. I mean, she looks good. I think I look really good. But I mean, some people might think she's prettier. Some people might think I'm prettier. But she's really pretty. She is good. Anyway, she does represent trans people well. I mean, if somebody wants to, be uplifted or think positive things about the trans community, she's very professional, and she acts like a very well-respected citizen of society. Right? Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye now. Au revoir, guys. Au revoir. Bye now.